Okay, now we just put another can on, and we're just doing the same thing again. Watching that needle slowly climb.
Slowly going back towards zero.
Yeah.
I've almost got enough in it. Almost.
So you're only putting a few seconds at a time in there right now? You opened it for...
About a half ounce at a time.
That's the way to do it.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh, did you put too much?
Yeah.
That was quick.
Well, I knew it was going to.
No, but it's going down. Look. It's going down. Look at that. What are we at right now? 7? 6?
That's 6.
That's not... What was the range again?
3 to 5.
3 to 5. Oh, look at that.
It's coming.
It's 4 right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe that was just right. So I have a question. With your can tap right there, how long will that Freon stay in there?
Forever.
Okay.
Until, as long as I remember to unhook the hose from it. It's the gauges that leak, not the cans.
Yeah.
The can tap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's holding at 4 pounds. Well, is your needle... Yeah, I guess... Yeah, your needle's in the right spot. It's bent, but...
More or less.
Yeah. The system sounds real good. What's the temperature differential between the suction and discharge right now? Oops. Does it feel pretty normal? Huh?
Yeah.
About a 30 to 40 degree difference?
Okay, heat loop.
The heat loop is okay?
No, I've got heat in the loop because the dryer was still cool. And which is okay. But it's better if it's warm.
It's better if the dryer's warm?
Well, it may just take time for it to get that way.
Oh, because
I got heat
inside.
I've got the loop's condensing.
Yeah, the loop is the gasket loop.
Yeah.
Is that what you call it?
Yoder loop.
The what?
Yoder loop.
Yoda loop?
Yoder.
Yoder.
Yep.
Interesting. Let me feel with the discharge. Oh, yeah. That's about 110. Suction feels like it's 75 maybe, 80. Compressor slightly warm. Well, that's right, because right now the inside of the fridge is pretty hot. Yeah, so it's got a lot of heat to pump.
It's got. That's why you also leave the pressure a hair higher when the refrigerator is climatized.
Oh, okay. So when
when it cools down, the pressure will drop.
Down to what, 0?
No, about 2.
Okay. You're done. It's okay to disconnect the vacuum line when there's pressure, but you don't ever want to disconnect it when there's suction, when there's a vacuum on it.
No matter. The valve's going to shut off right away anyway.
Okay. This job is just about done.
Just about.
All right. That's about it. I think I'm going to kill the video now. Coil's nice and clean. See, I did that the other day.